Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: VIN, registration, and an active My Skoda account. Open the Skoda Connect app and sign in. This links your identity to the car. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are on and that you're on a reliable mobile or Wi-Fi network. Once done, tap Add Vehicle and enter the VIN exactly. This binds the vehicle profile. I explain why. VIN uniquely identifies the car, so services, like remote lock and status, map correctly to your vehicle. Next, you pair the phone with the vehicle's infotainment system. In the car, open the Connect or Phone menu and set pairing mode. On your phone, select the vehicle name. When the pairing code appears on both screens, accept it so the app and car can exchange credentials securely. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts to trust the device. Once paired, perform verification using the PIN or QR code from vehicle documents, so Skoda Connect confirms ownership and unlocks specific remote features. To finish, force a sync from the app and allow a few minutes for the vehicle status to appear. This populates fuel, mileage, and remote settings. Make sure remote services and notifications are enabled in app settings so you receive alerts. If something goes wrong, restart the app and phone, toggle Bluetooth, or re-enter the VIN. These quick steps resolve most handshaking errors. If issues persist, check your account verification email and contact Skoda support with your VIN and error details for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.